In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the volume flow indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to adjust a few key settings so it actually works for your style of trading. First, make sure you're logged in and you have your TradingView chart open on the screen. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar running across the screen. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts live. Go ahead and click that Indicators button to open the Indicators window. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is the easiest way to quickly find what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click once in that search bar to activate it. Then type in Volume Flow Indicator. Make sure you spell it correctly so it actually shows up in the results. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the matching indicators underneath. You should see Volume Flow Indicator appear in the list. Once you see it, simply click on it. TradingView will instantly add the Volume Flow indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel below your main price chart. If it doesn't appear right away, double check that you clicked it and that your chart isn't zoomed in too far. Now that the indicator is on your chart, it is important to know where to find the settings. Move your mouse over the name of the volume flow indicator, usually shown on the left side of its panel or at the top of the chart area. When you hover over it, a small gear icon for settings will appear. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes the calculation inputs, depending on the specific version of the indicator you're using. Take a moment to customize the appearance so it's easy for you to read at a glance. For example, you might want brighter colors if you use a dark background, or thinner lines if your chart looks too crowded. Once you're happy with your changes, click OK or close the settings window, and your updated volume flow indicator will be applied. If you want to keep this set up for future use, remember, you can save your chart layout in TradingView so you don't have to repeat these steps every time. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators and chart layouts without limitations, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my future tutorials using the same tools and features.